Moto Dog.
I want to do a review on this riding jacket I got. It's a HWK high-vis jacket that's sold on Amazon, and it's great. I wanted something so bright, even people texting while driving could see me. I think that fits the bill. It's really bright. The logo, they're reflective, as well as some of the striping. That's so when you wreck at night, the rescuers can find your body before the coyotes can have a snack. There's air vents on the sleeves, and they help to dry out your stinking pits and to keep your shirt from looking like you just got back from a wet t-shirt contest. Reviews claim that it's waterproof, but I don't know. I don't like getting wet, so I haven't tried it. But with Velcro and buttons over top of the zipper, I don't think even Ron Jeremy could get it wet inside. It has a ton of adjustment on the sleeves, so if you ain't got no big muscles like me, you can tighten them up and it make you look like you have big muscles. There's tons of pockets all over the place. They're all Velcro. Most are like your girlfriend. They're soft, deep, and have a little flap to get inside easily with only a couple of fingers. On the inside here, we got a cell phone pocket. That's because that's where your cell phone belongs when you're riding. That's where your phone should be. Okay. On the back side, there's more reflective. It has that huge pocket down there. It has Velcro on it also, and striping and the flap. I'm not sure what the purpose of it is, but I guess you could put a bag of weed in it. I'm fat, so mine probably be filled with Little Debbie's and some cheese sticks. It does have a removable liner since it's too hot for us fat people, but you skinny folk who are always cold, leave it in. It's a well-made, high-quality, high-vis jacket that you can afford after just a few rounds of stacking a deck in a euchre tournament. Get one of them, you'll like it.